Exploring the world of charcoal toothpaste. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and increasingly popular topic in the world of dental care: charcoal toothpaste. If you've ever wondered what it is, how it works, and why it's become a trendy choice for many, you're in the right place. Let's explore together the ins and outs of charcoal toothpaste and its benefits for oral health. Charcoal toothpaste is a type of toothpaste that incorporates activated charcoal as a key ingredient. Activated charcoal is known for its powerful absorbing properties, which theoretically help remove stains from the teeth, making them appear whiter. Unlike regular toothpaste, its distinct black color and ability to bind to toxins and odors have made it popular not just for dental hygiene, but also for various detoxifying products. Many users turn to charcoal toothpaste for its potential benefits, which include whitening teeth, by removing surface stains on the teeth, detoxifying the mouth. Activated charcoal can bind to bacteria and toxins, potentially reducing bad breath and oral infections. Natural ingredients. Many charcoal toothpastes are marketed as being more natural, appealing to those looking to reduce their chemical exposure. However, it's important to note that while charcoal toothpaste can help with surface stains, it might not be as effective for deep, intrinsic stains that affect the dentin. Before you switch to charcoal toothpaste, there are a few considerations. Abrasive nature. Charcoal can be abrasive and, if used too frequently, may damage the enamel of the teeth. Lack of fluoride. Many charcoal toothpastes do not contain fluoride, which is essential for fighting tooth decay. Effectiveness. Some dental professionals question its effectiveness in comparison to traditional fluoride toothpastes and its long-term impact on dental health. If you decide to try charcoal toothpaste, here are some tips to use it safely. Use sparingly. Consider using it a few times a week, alternating with your regular fluoride toothpaste. Gentle brushing. To minimize abrasiveness, brush gently and use a soft bristled toothbrush. Consult your dentist. Always consult with a dental professional before making significant changes to your oral care routine. Charcoal toothpaste offers an intriguing alternative to traditional toothpastes, with its unique benefits and natural appeal. However, like any product, it's important to use it wisely and be aware of its limitations. We hope this video has shed some light on charcoal toothpaste and helps you make an informed decision about whether it's a good fit for your dental care routine. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.